to tell you something about my topic. First of all, I will present with few lines. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों में 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में सांस बढ़ता है, आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। ये लाइंस एक लेडी को प्रिटेंड करता है कि उसने कैसे अपनी कोशिशों के द्वारा उन्होंने कभी हार नहीं मान के उन्होंने सक्सेस पाया, that she reached the heights of success. And I want to dedicate a song for her, first of all, that she became financially independent. She was a lady who was born and brought up from a village of Rajasthan. She has done something inadequate and reached the heights of success. So I want to present a simple song for her, that so as she has become financially independent. So बाबुल प्यारे सजन सखारे सुनो मेरी मैया, बोझ नहीं मैं किसी के सर का, ना मझदार मिलैया, पतवार बनूंगी लहरों से लड़ूंगी, अरे मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपैया, अरे मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपैया। So with this line, I came forward to my other team members who will describe about the lady and give introduction to our topic. So here I'll request Abhishek Das to come forward and explain the topic.
Okay, thank you, Sakshi. Very good morning to everyone present here. Myself Abhishek Das, और आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं राजस्थान के बाड़मेर गांव की एक लेडी के बारे में, जहां पे महिलाओं को घर से बाहर जाकर काम करने तक भी नहीं दिया जाता था, वो वहां पे गलत माना जाता था। तो ये जो लेडी है घर के अंदर ही बैठकर कपड़ों की बुनाई करती थी, और इन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था 70 रुपए से लेकर इन्होंने अपने कपड़ों की बुनाई करके बेचना स्टार्ट किया, जो और इन 70 रुपए से लेकर 23 करोड़ तक का नेटवर्क बनाने तक का इनका सफर, और हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में एज अ गेस्ट स्पीकर बनने तक का इनका सफर काफी इंस्पायरिंग है और हर महिला को सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट होने के लिए इंस्पायर करता है। तो क्या आप में से कोई ये गेस कर सकता है कि हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? एनीवन? ओके, सो मैं बताता हूं। तो हम बात करने जा रहे हैं 8वीं तक पढ़ी।
I'm saying little more description might help. We are listening to you, please.
इन्होंने क्लोथिंग के फील्ड में काम किया है। ये राजस्थान के बाड़मेर गांव से हैं और इन्होंने कई महिलाओं की जिंदगी में बदलाव लाई है। ये लंदन, यूएसए हर जगह पे एग्जीबिशन में पार्टिसिपेट कर चुकी हैं। इन्हें राष्ट्रपति से पुरस्कार भी मिला चुका है।
ये लेडी केबीसी में आई थी पर शायद, जहाँ तक मुझे याद आ रहा है।
हाँ, या
नाम याद नहीं आ रहा मेरे को।
ओके पल्लवी, मैं बताता हूँ। तो हम बात करने जा रहे हैं 8वीं तक पढ़ी हुई जो महिला है, ये रूमा देवी की कहानी, जिसने अपने और अपने आसपास के गांव के 22,000 लोगों की किस्मत बदल डाली है, जिनकी सुई धागों की कहानी है। जो सुई धागों से, ये वैसे सुई धागों का इनका काम है, पर ये सिर्फ सुई धागों से कपड़ों की बुनाई नहीं करती, बल्कि इन्होंने सुई धागों से अपनी किस्मत की बुनाई की है और अपने आसपास के गांव के लोगों की जिंदगी बदल डाली है। तो इनकी लाइफ स्ट्रगल, सक्सेस, अवार्ड्स एंड अचीवमेंट से भरी हुई है, जिनके बारे में मेरे टीम मेंबर्स आपको शेयर करेंगे। So that's all from my side. Now I would like to invite Miss Shruti to resume the presentation.
Thank you, Abhishek. Ruma Devi has made lots of struggle in her life. Her early struggles were Ruma Devi's life actually has been a series of a struggle which she was resolutely overcome. Having lost her mother at the age of 5, she was raised by her paternal uncle after her father remarried. If education offered any hope of a better future, this too came to a premature end after she dropped out of school in standard 8. Thereafter, devoting her time to household chores, which included fetching water in a bullock cart and a well almost 10 kilometers away, married off at 17 into a financial unstable family, life continued to be a struggle for a Ruma Devi until she refused to accept the limited resource at a home as her destiny, having learned embroidery from her grandmother. After her mother's death, she expressed her desire to support the family financially. And armed with her needle and a lot of determination, she stepped out to usher change. She managed to convince she managed to convince 10 women from her village and started a self group in 2006. With a contribution of 100 each, she then bought a essential like cloth. She then bought essentials like a clothing, thread and plastic wrappers and start making cover and bags, she says. Luckily, very first customer turned out to be a buyer of the same village. A modest being, this was no doubt, but an encouraging one that happened the group scale of a production and enabled Ruma Devi to chalk up a more ambitious plans. I further call upon Mariam to continue.
Thank you, Shruti. Good morning, one and all present here. My name is Mariam Kemandu, and I will continue with the topic Struggle of Ruma Devi. The road to success is seldom straightforward, and difficulties have to be met with at every step of the way. And it was not different for Ruma Devi. So, Ruma Devi had a son, and when his health deteriorated, she did not have enough money to treat him. He could stay alive for 48 hours, and she could not take him to a big hospital, and she lost him. This incident changed his life, and she thought, how many women will be like her who are living in suffocation? Then she was determined to change the lives of others. Ruma's journey has been nothing less than amazing. She faced oppositions from her in laws when she expressed her desire to be independent. She left her in law's house for a few years. And there was also a time when the villagers would call her names and blamed her for influencing other women. But for today, the same people say yes to everything that Ruma Devi ji has to say and to take her favor of not only the women of Burma, but for the entire village. Here now is my friend Pushpa to speak about the career of Ruma Devi. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Pushpa Singh, and I would like to discuss about Ruma Devi's career life, who couldn't complete her education, was married of an early age at 17, and had to spend a lot of time in Ghungat, and how she went from that to creating applique work from Barmer that made her an international star. She started to do some work for earning. She started a self-help group after managing to convince about 10 women from her village in 2006 with a contribution of rupees 100 from each woman. They bought second-hand stitching machine, cloth, threads and plastic wrappers for making cushion and bags. Her quest for success took her to the doorstep of Gramin Vikas Evam Chetna Sansthan in Barmer, and she joined it as a member in 2008 and went on to become the president of the non-governmental organization in 2010. She did her first exhibition in Rafi Marg, Delhi in 2010 and her first fashion show in Rajasthan Heritage Week 2016. She is now working towards promoting the craft of tribal artisans and minorities of all over India to get their craft and hands behind craft recognized. And today she is the president of Gramin Vikas Evam Chetna Sansthan. She is now an expert craftsman and has trained 22,000 women partisans in Rajasthan. She is a chief initiator, a role model for many women across Rajasthan. Her story has inspired many women to stand up and question male dominance in Rajasthan. Thank you. Now Shreya will continue.
Good morning, friends. My name is Shreya Gupta. I am here to tell about the sources. Nowadays, the contribution of rural women entrepreneurs that were earlier neglected in the Indian economy is certainly gaining pace these days. The rural women of India have not only established their business but also empowering other women along the way. The women these days are hungry for learning, getting trained, and gaining formal skills to articulate their ideas. Out of the approximately 60 million entrepreneurs, 8 million entrepreneurs are women. This proves to be an effective strategy for fixing rural and urban poverty in India. Even though it is an average number with successful women entrepreneurs, even in the rural areas of India, a higher percentage can be expected. Whether it is a particular societal norm, lack of motivation, education of funds, women entrepreneurship from rural India are breaking all the societal barriers and continuing to prosper. Here are some of the successful rural women entrepreneurs who have been changing mindset, breaking, empowering other women like Ruma Devi, Kabir Ravi, and many more. Now I would like to invite Sirsa.
Sirisa.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, all of you. सर आज हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं रूमा देवी जी की, जो आज सफलतापूर्वक पुरुषों और महिलाओं दोनों की कारीगरों का नेतृत्व कर रही हैं, उनकी प्रशिक्षण दे रही हैं और स्वयं सहायता समूहों के माध्यम से उन्हें अपने अधिकार में छोटे पैमाने पर बना रही है। उन्हें वित्तीय सुरक्षा, बेहतर स्वास्थ्य और शिक्षा सुविधा प्रदान कर रही है, उनके लिए बेहतर कल का वादा कर रही है। उनकी जो अचीवमेंट्स हैं, उनके मार्गदर्शन में GVCS को 2016 से लगातार 3 वर्षों तक राजस्थान हेल्प और IGF में रही है। कहते हैं कि अपने छोटे छोटे कामों में भी अपने दिल, दिमाग और आत्मा को लगा दीजिए, यही सफलता का रहस्य है। कहीं ना कहीं रूमा देवी जी का भी यही सफलता का रहस्य होगा, जिन्होंने छोटे छोटे कामों में ही अपना दिल, दिमाग लगाया और लगन से उन्होंने यह काम सफलतापूर्वक किया। सफलता का एक आसान फॉर्मूला है, आपका सर्वोत्तम दीजिए तो हो सकता है कि लोग उसे पसंद करें। थैंक यू। नाउ प्रशांत।
Thank you, Sirisha. Good morning to my son, and I am from Raipur itself. I had completed graduation from Pandit Ravi Shankar Sule University in 2020. Now I am pursuing course of Chartered Accountant from Raipur. Now coming towards my topic. For today's presentation, my topic is awards and honor received by Ruma Devi. As my friends have explained earlier, that Ruma Devi is an Indian traditional handicraft artisan from Barmar, Rajasthan. Ruma Devi is another name for the struggle, hard work, and success. Nowadays, she is one of the leading faces in the field of designing. Here are some awards and honors received by her. First, she has been awarded with Nari Shakti Puraskar in 2018 by Sri Ramnath Kovind, which is the highest civilian honor for women in India. Second, she has got a chance to share stage with Amitabh Bachchan and Sonakshi Sinha in Kaun Banega Crorepati show on 20th September 2019. She was selected by University USA as panelist in its 17th conference held on 15th and 16th of February 2020. She had won the title of TFI Designer of the Year 2019, featured on the cover page of Indian Today magazine in the anniversary edition. with the title The New Bharat in 2018. Goodwill Ambassador and Chief Designer of Tribes India. Then she has received Shilpa Abhimani Award by the government of Sri Lanka for the promotion of handicrafts. She had been honored by Women on Wings, Netherlands in 2016. Thank you. That's all from my side. Now I would like to invite my friend Rahul for continuation.
Good morning, friends. I am Rahul Chur from Rajgarh, Madhya Pradesh. My schooling from Government Higher Secondary School, Rajgarh, and I am a kabaddi player for Madhya Pradesh under 19. And I cleared my intermediate in January 2021. I am here to present rumadevi.com and online. मैं सबसे पहले तो बता दूं कि rumadevi.com हम इंडिया में शायद नहीं जानते, पर पूरे यूरोप में हाईएस्ट सेलर ऑफ द हैंडीक्राफ्ट है ये, और सबसे रिनोन्ड हैंडीक्राफ्ट सेलर माना जाता है यूरोप का. With the trademark Ruma, the craft of India, start in 2020 on the demand of foreign customers of Ruma Devi. Will manage and it is a very managed and very simple website, rumadevi.com, with varieties of product of Ruma Devi, and also a very with a very managed.
आप अपनी कंफर्टेबल लैंग्वेज में भी बोल सकते हैं, बात हमको समझ में आनी चाहिए. बस किसी भी टॉपिक को आप हेवीली मत लीजिए. आपको सिर्फ हमें बताना है कि आपने किसके बारे में स्टडी करी है. आपको सिर्फ टाइम लिमिट में उनको बताना है बस. ठीक है, एंजॉय दिस प्रेजेंटेशन प्लीज. लाइट हेडेड.
मैम मेरा हो गया, इतना ही था.
गुड गुड गुड.
Then Dharmendra will take over.
Thank you, Rahul. Myself Dharmendra Kumar Sahu. I am from Rajnandgaon, छत्तीसगढ़. आज मैं रूमा देवी जिस एनजीओ से जुड़ी हुई है उसके कार्य के बारे में बताना चाहूँगा. ग्रामीण विकास एवं चेतना संस्थान के सचिव विक्रम सिंह जी बताते हैं कि एनजीओ से आसपास के 3 जिलों की करीब 22,000 महिलाएं जुड़ी हुई हैं. ये महिलाएं अपने घरों में रहकर हस्तशिल्प उत्पाद तैयार करती है. बाजार की डिमांड के हिसाब से इन्हें ट्रेनिंग दिया जाता है और तैयार उत्पाद को बेचने में मदद एनजीओ द्वारा की जाती है. सभी महिलाओं का कामकाज का सालाना टर्नओवर लगभग करोड़ों में है. रूमा देवी पर हाल ही में एक किताब भी लिखी गई है जिसका नाम है हौसलों का हुनर. निधि जैन द्वारा लिखी गई इस किताब में, जिसका नाम है हौसलों का हुनर, में रूमा देवी के संघर्ष और उनकी सफलता की पूरी कहानी बयां की गई है. किताब में बताया गया है कि रूमा देवी अल्प शिक्षा, संसाधनों की कमी, तकनीकी अभाव, इन सब के बावजूद किस तरह से सफलता की शिखर पर अपनी जगह बनाई. खुद अपने गांव से निकलकर विदेशों तक पहुंची और हजारों महिलाओं को आत्मनिर्भर बनाया. थैंक यू. इसके बाद मैं साक्षी जैन जी को बुलाना चाहूंगा.
So here I would like to conclude our topic about Ruma Devi. Now, as the very famous quote of Bob Brown, behind every successful man, there is a lot of unsuccessful years. So was the case of Ruma Devi. Before seeing such a huge kingdom, she has seen a lot of difficulties in every aspect of her life. Ruma Devi, a fashionista, was emerged from rustic rural lanes of Rajasthan. She created her destiny like this lines. अपने हौसलों के बल पर हम अपनी प्रतिभा दिखा देंगे. अपने हौसलों के बल पर हम अपनी प्रतिभा दिखा देंगे. भले कोई मंच ना दे हमको, हम अपना मंच बना लेंगे. भले कोई मंच ना दे हमको, हम अपना मंच बना लेंगे. Now, success never resides in the world of weak wishes. It means if the wish is strong, like Ruma Devi, with her hard work and determination, she gave employment to so hundreds of women. Now, Ruma Devi is, now there's a very famous quote: a woman with a book and a pen has the power to move nations, but a woman with a mind and voice has the power to change worlds. That's why Ruma Devi, who has become successful in not only India but has made her remarkable in the foreign countries as well. She has won many exhibitions in Paris, London. Now, कहते सब है तुम करना चुनो, चलते सब है तुम संभलना सीखो, ख्वाब सबके है तुम हकीकत चुनो, जीत सबके है तुम शोहरत सुनो, चिंगारी सब में है तुम ज्वाला सुनो, गम सबके है तुम खुशी चुनो, चोट सबके है तुम मलहम चुनो, भूल कर को तुम बस आज बेहतर चुनो। शायद ये पंक्तियां के द्वारा ही रूमा देवी ने हमें